Imagine this. Your Wi-Fi router isn't just beaming internet, it's also creating a virtual blueprint of your home. Researchers at Carnegie Mellon University have been experimenting with ordinary Wi-Fi routers, the ones you use at home, to detect human locations and poses within a room. Now, how does it work? Well, these smart algorithms analyze the Wi-Fi signal interference caused by humans. They create wireframe images that show where people are, their poses, and even how many are in the room. And here's a cool application: construction projects. Imagine using this tech to monitor worker safety, track movements, and ensure everyone is where they need to be. It can even help in detecting structural issues by analysing signal disruptions. But that's not all. In facilities management, this tech can be a game changer. It can help monitor occupancy, optimise space usage, and even detect unauthorised access. Plus, it can see services behind walls like plumbing and electrical systems, making maintenance a breeze. No need for expensive radar or LiDAR systems. Plus, they respect privacy better than cameras. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, stay curious and keep those signals strong.
Go to designconsulting.com.au for all your design and engineering technology needs.